Aion HL is the first car equipped with NDA 4.0 city navigation, advanced intelligent driving, and pre-sale will start on March 18. GAC Aion recently officially released the NDA 4.0 City Pilot Advanced Intelligent Driving System, and announced that the technology will be first installed in the new model Aion HL, which will be pre-sale soon. NDA 4.0 adopts the industry-leading end-to-end architecture, adding 3 new functional upgrades: parking lot to parking lot, automatic passage through toll booths, and parking in extremely narrow parking spaces. It covers 6 major scenarios: parking lot to parking lot, highway toll booths, very narrow parking spaces, sandy construction sites, lane lines, rough roads and tidal lanes, and over 99% full scenario coverage rate. It can complete a series of complex operations such as parking in the underground garage, finding the exit, passing through the gate, entering the city road, changing lanes, avoiding obstacles, detecting traffic lights, making unprotected right turns, and finally parking in the target parking area, all without any human intervention in the process. The vehicle can accurately control its entry into the ETC channel and stop in front of the barrier, waiting for the gate to be lifted. It can adapt to the recognition distance and range differences at different gates, and can ensure smooth passage even on rainy days or in strong light conditions. The intelligent driving system integrated with laser radar technology, NDA 4.0, solves the difficult parking problem in cities, and provides precise parking even in extremely narrow parking spaces such as body plus 0.5 meters. The vehicles can detect and safely pass through sandy construction sites, avoiding traffic congestion caused by construction. Even in road conditions where lane lines are unclear or irregular, the vehicle can maintain the correct driving trajectory to ensure driving safety. Aion HL can determine and adjust the driving route according to real-time changes in tidal lanes to adapt to traffic needs in different time zones. The first model equipped with NDA 4.0, Aion HL is positioned as a large intelligent new luxury SUV, and will officially start pre-sale on March 18. Aion HL adopts the land yacht design language in appearance, equipped with mountain and sea lights, paddle-style wheels and dot matrix light center grille, supports intelligent light language. The body size is 5126 x 1990 x 1730, 1750 mm. The wheelbase is 3088 mm. The interior features dual 17.3-inch giant screens, 24-channel front and rear 3-way audio systems, and zero-gravity Gulfstream seats, standard air suspension, and CDC Super Magic carpet suspension, providing a high-level comfort experience. In terms of power, there are 2 different versions: pure electric and extended range. The range of the pure electric version is 750 kilometers, and the range of the extended range version is 350 kilometers. The comprehensive range exceeds 1,200 kilometers, and both support 800 V5C fast charging.